House Bill 4623. Imagine this. Imagine a teacher at a Texas public school is accused of inappropriate conduct with a student, and the district ignores repeated warnings. The family decides to sue, but under current law, the school is largely protected from liability. House Bill 4623 changes that. What the bill says it does? The bill claims to hold schools accountable when an employee commits sexual misconduct or fails to report abuse. It gives families the right to take both the school and the individual employee to court. What it actually does? House Bill 4623 removes long-standing legal protections for schools and educators. It lets families sue districts and staff for gross negligence, recklessness, or intentional misconduct in hiring or supervision. This means lawyers gain clear new pathway to file lawsuits while schools lose their legal shield and could see classroom budgets drained by legal costs and insurance premiums. Who benefits? Trial lawyers who can take on new civil cases and recover attorney fees. Advocacy groups that pushed the bill, including Citizens Defending Freedom, Jacoboyan Ministries, and Texas Eagle Forum, and families with the means to pursue legal action. And who pays the price? Local school districts that face lawsuits and higher insurance costs without any new state funding. Teachers, aides, and even trustees who lose official immunity and risk being sued personally. And students in smaller or rural districts where resources may be pooled from education to cover defense costs. Why this matters. Thousands of educator misconduct cases in Texas remain unsolved each year. Instead of fixing the system that allows complaints to sit unanswered, this bill turns accountability into a lawsuit-driven process. The goal of justice for victims is important, but the cost may fall on classrooms, not the individuals who caused the harm. And questions you can ask your lawmakers. Why did lawmakers choose to expand lawsuits instead of fixing the broken investigation process at the Texas Education Agency? What protections will keep this from bankrupting small school districts or driving away good teachers? And will you support adding funding or oversight reforms so schools can prevent abuse before it happens? Bottom line, House Bill 4623 promises justice for victims, but risks draining school resources and pushing teachers out instead of fixing the system that failed to act in the first place.